Is Polkadot capable of making you wealthy? How much money can Polkadot bring you in the next 5 to 10 years if you invest now? Polkadot can make you super rich based on its historical price performance, general uptrending return on investment, extremely innovative technology, and the fact that trade attributes are positive about its future. Let's get started with the video. Polkadot is now one of the fastest growing blockchains, as seen by the burgeoning development community and rapid price rise. Even in the face of a downturn, its value has increased by more than 600% in the last year. The cryptocurrency had given its early investors an overall ROI of more than 1,800% at the height of DOT pricing in May, essentially making even the smallest DOT coin holders extremely wealthy. Is it, however, capable of repeating previous success in the future? Well, for that, let's first look at what exactly Polkadot is. Polkadot is a fully accessible multi-chain sharding technology that facilitates the movement of any asset or data type across chains, not just tokens. Several blockchains become compatible as a result of this procedure. Polkadot is made up of 4 layers or components. Relay chains, parachains, parathreads, and bridges are the 4 types. The Polkadot relay chain is the blockchain's brain. It aids in the formation of consensus, shared security, and interoperability amongst various chain networks. Polkadot parachains are chains that are sufficiently self-contained to require their own tokens. They can also be tweaked to fit certain scenarios. Polkadot Parathread is similar to parachains in appearance. Its main purpose is to provide flexible connections using a pay-as-you-go business model. Bridges provide interoperable links that enable users to safely move data or tokens across blockchains, whether they belong to public or private organizations. What was the purpose of Polkadot? Polkadot was created with the primary goal of facilitating blockchain interoperability. Developers may construct blockchains that can connect with other ledgers because of this unique capability. Developers control how quickly blocks of transactions may be confirmed across several digital ledgers using the interoperability feature. What's the current supply of Polkadot coins? At the present, there's a circulating supply of 933,350,778 DOT out of a total supply of 1,068,874,893 DOT. Is Polkadot a profitable investment? Polkadot prices are expected to continue growing in the near future. According to crypto industry professionals and analysts, they believe it will rise again shortly, potentially reaching a new all-time high. And this basically means that it will make money for its long-term investors. However, DOT's price movement demonstrates that it is a desirable asset and a profitable investment for short-term traders. For example, DOT costs have fluctuated a lot in the previous 30 days, ranging from $130 to $26. Short-term traders, particularly day traders, stand to profit handsomely from the coin's unpredictable price swings. However, when you consider a DOT investment, we recommend that you first familiarize yourself with various research tools and risk management resources. These are useful for safeguarding your funds and telling you of the most likely price movement a coin will take. But how can you determine if DOT prices will rise again? What's more, how do you know if Polkadot will ever reach $100? Polkadot is expected to hit $100 in the near future, according to the crypto market. As DOT prices rose early this year, several experts, price prediction websites, and DOT investors were sure that it was destined to reach $100 and would do so before the end of the year. Despite the fact that the crypto market has fallen, most people believe Polkadot has what it takes to return and hit $100 in the next 5 years. Is DOT's quest for $100, however, realistic? The entire market supply of DOT coins is 1 billion. As a result, if it rises to $100, it will only have a total market value of $100 billion, which is less than 7% of the current crypto industry valuation and less than half of Ethereum's. DOT increased its pricing by more than 5 times in the first 5 months of 2021 to $49. Analysts say that in order to reach $100, Polkadot just has to raise to the May 2021 price levels and then quadruple that price. Polkadot, also known as the Ethereum killer, and its groundbreaking technology have received a warm reception from the crypto community, which speaks volumes about its chances of reaching the goal price. And this is demonstrated by the fact that its developer pool has more than quadrupled in the last year, beating even Ethereum, and interest in its blockchain technology is on the rise. These characteristics, combined with the knowledge that it is one of the most highly prized investment products by professional investors, are expected to push the valuation of DOT coins much over $100 in the coming years. But in 5 years, how much will Polkadot be worth? Within the crypto sector, there is widespread belief that cryptocurrencies will quickly rebound from the recent downturn. Analysts expect a big break that will boost Polkadot prices beyond $100 in the next 5 years if this happens before the end of the year. The wallet investor, for example, predicts that DOT prices will begin to recover in the coming months and break above its current all-time high of $58.157 before the end of the year. Polkadot DOT prices are expected to rise by about 1,234% over the following 5 years, reaching $225 by mid-July 2026, according to their technical analysis. Polkadot's future values are also expected to rise, although coin price forecast is less hopeful about a probable parabolic rise. Polkadot is expected to double in value and trade around $36 over the next 5 years, according to its technical analysis. In this decade, the 9th largest cryptocurrency is unlikely to break beyond its all-time high set in May 2021. In 10 years, how much will Polkadot be worth? Polkadot is an extremely volatile investment product, as we've stated before, and as shown by its extraordinary increase earlier this year. All signs point to a probable recovery and future development, but no one can say with certainty how much Polkadot will be worth in 10 years. They can only look at some of the elements that are likely to impact DOT pricing over this time period and offer an opinion on which way each one could drive DOT prices. These are some of them. Number 3. Adoption. While the last crypto market surge was important in propelling Polkadot DOT to new heights, it would not have been possible without widespread usage. Analysts predict a surge in demand for DOT currencies as the number of exchanges, protocols, and blockchains that connect with the Polkadot blockchain rises. Number 2. ETH 2.0 upgrade. If and when the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade takes effect, we may witness a drop in interest in Polkadot owing to Ethereum's quicker transaction speeds and cheaper costs. If it doesn't arrive soon, most Ethereum technologies will continue to link to Polkadot in order to improve the performance of their protocols and decrease gas prices. Number 1. DeFi explosion. Analysts predict most of these platforms will build linkages to Polkadot in order to ensure greater performance to their consumers as additional DeFi protocols arise and investors pour more money into the sector. DOT has already created partnerships with Aave and Compound DeFi applications, and more are anticipated to come. If Polkadot maintains its current popularity, Ethereum delays the ETH 2.0 upgrade, and DeFi maintains its present exceptional growth, Polkadot will be extremely valuable in the next 10 years. So, is Polkadot a good long-term bet? Many explanations have been presented online by the crypto community and existing DOT investors as to why they feel Polkadot is a good long-term investment. They've mentioned data that rank DOT as one of the fastest-growing blockchain technologies, as well as the continuing interest from exchanges and apps that are already establishing connections with Polkadot and its innovative technology. But perhaps, more importantly, they claim that Polkadot has risen by over 600% in the last year to become the 9th largest cryptocurrency with a market value of over $15 billion. Is it, however, a sound long-term investment? We'll provide an example to demonstrate this. Given that the price of DOT tokens has increased by more than 600% in the previous year, how much money would you have gained from the cryptocurrency if you had purchased about $1,000 worth of DOT tokens a year ago? Your investment is now worth $6,000 or $18,000 if you sold at the pinnacle of DOT's price when it had an overall return on investment of 1,800%. What can you expect to make if you buy $1,000 worth of DOT coins today and hold them for the next 5 years? So, assuming that Polkadot prices rise by 1,234% as predicted by Wallet Investor, your $1,000 investment today will have grown to roughly around $12,340 by 2026. Polkadot is thus a solid long-term investment, according to this data. So to conclude, is Polkadot worth buying? Your financial goals, knowledge with the crypto markets, and risk tolerance should all influence your choice to invest in Polkadot today. If you're confident in your crypto investing abilities and know how to manage the dangers that come with them, Polkadot is a great place to put part of your money. If you're new to the cryptocurrency and want to learn how to invest in Polkadot, try hiring a crypto specialist to help you. That concludes today's video. Thank you for sticking with us all the way to the finish, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.